Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to upgrade to iOS 17 beta on iPhone without an Apple developer account. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is used here, and during the upgrade process there is no data loss in the iPhone. Open iSunshare.com on your browser and then go to the iOS Repair Genius page. Click Download to get the software. Minutes later, install it on your computer. Okay, now ensure iTunes is installed on your computer. Open the software and choose the iOS Upgrade/Downgrade option. Click Upgrade iOS. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust on the iPhone and enter the screen passcode to trust this computer. Click Next on the software. You can view the iPhone's current version here. Then choose the iOS 17 beta version from the firmware version section. Click Download to download the firmware package. Now, click the Start button to upgrade your iPhone iOS. When the software shows upgrade successfully, your iPhone restarts. Well done! See, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0. You can continue to finish the setup. Besides, you can also check the iOS version in Settings. That's all for the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content and comment down below if you have any questions.